Here's a small deal of lower grade offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's wetted, so you're getting the light reflecting off these stones. Okay, these have just been randomly picked out of a bucket. And some of them don't have much colour on them, some just have a bit of pattern. Something like that can still be ground into a shape for a pendant. Piece of Koroite, the other material that I just showed you, I don't know where it came from, but it's got a little bit of red in it there. Goes through, so slice it off there and grind down the face. See what you end up with. Slice. Nice pattern piece of Koroite. Doesn't look like there's much colour in it though. Saying that, always grind the outside of it. A couple more pieces here. It's a nothing piece, I won't bother putting that in. Anyway, that's what they are. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.